How to use the delay feature in Soundation? First of all, open Soundation and create a new project or select an existing one. Load the track into the studio and select it. Then, in the bottom bar, click on Add Effects and select the delay option from the list. When the delay tab opens, you will see several controls that allow you to fine-tune the effect. You will notice the time left and time right settings, which control the delay time for the left and right channels. This allows you to create a stereo effect where the left and right channels repeat the sound at different intervals. You can adjust this to match the rhythm of your track. Next, the feedback control determines how many times the delayed sound repeats before it fades away. Higher feedback settings will create a more pronounced echo effect, while lower settings will make the delay more subtle. You also have the filter option, which allows you to save the tone of the delayed sound. By adjusting the filter, you can add more warmth or brightness to the echoes. The wet and dry options give you control over how much of the delayed sound is mixed with the original sound. The wet setting controls the amount of delay, while the dry setting is the original signal without any delay. Soundation also offers the choice between sync and free modes. In the sync mode, the delay time will match the tempo of your track. While in free mode, you can set the delay time independently. And next to the delay tab, you'll find presets. These are pre-configured delay settings that you can quickly apply to your track to save time and get a desired effect right away. And that's it. Now you know how to use delay in Soundation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.